Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I bought myself this screwdriver and bit set. I paid 15 euros for it. This was a Black Friday offer. I don't know if they have these offers in your country, but it's definitely worth it to take a look at it because it's very nice as a gift for Christmas or for a birthday. And well, just let me show you what's inside the box. Comes with some screws to mount it on the wall. Let's see if I can keep them in there. You can mount it on the wall like this. That's very easy. You have everything in one place. I like this very much because you can hang it on the wall and then you see these bit sets. You can just click it and they will come out. Here you can see all the bits. That's just standard bits. I don't know if they are the best. You can always replace them, of course. So you can see here all the precision screwdrivers. And I can't see the size on the screwdriver. Oh, here's the size. It's a T6, a T8, and a T10. A flathead, another flathead, another flathead, a cross, pH 0 and a pH 00. And I always like these small ones. It's a pH 2 cross, very nice. They have this anti-roll flat sides, so they won't roll off the table. So that's good. And they also have it in a big flathead, as you can see here, all rubberized. And this is a flathead. As you can see here, another one. Oh, it looks pretty damaged already. That's strange. Well, it's okay. It was very cheap, so I don't mind. That's a cross. There's no size on this one. Maybe here. Oh, here it is. pH 2. Yeah. As you can see here. Just showing them. I hope you can read this. And the last one. And then of course, let me check if these are magnetic. It's a T40. Yeah, and they are magnetic, so they won't fall out. So that's very nice. Oh, let me show you. It has 4 points there where you can mount it on the wall. So it will be very tight on your wall. You can put it in your shed or just somewhere where you can just easily get a screwdriver if you need one. So a perfect compact set. You can store it at a small place. And it's perfect if you want to buy a gift for someone. They would be very happy with this. Only for 14 euros. I hope I showed you this product in a right way, so you can decide for yourself if this is something for you or to buy it as a gift for someone. Please like this video if I showed you this in a proper way. And of course it's your decision what you think about it. If you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please subscribe now. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.